Once upon a time in the enchanting kingdom of Eldoria, a grand Disney princess party was about to take place. The sunlit gardens of the royal palace were adorned with vibrant flowers, and a soft breeze carried the sweet scent of anticipation through the air. Cinderella, Snow White, Ariel, Belle, and all the beloved princesses had gathered from their respective realms, each wearing their finest gowns. Laughter and joy filled the air as they shared stories of their adventures and sang enchanting melodies. Just as the party was in full swing, a mischievous giggle echoed across the courtyard. Everyone turned to see Tinker Bell, accompanied by her fairy friends, fluttering about with excitement. Tinker Bell had a surprise in store for the princesses, a magical dance-off. Eager to showcase their unique talents, the princesses formed teams and began an enchanting dance competition. Cinderella waltzed gracefully, Belle spun with elegance, and Ariel swirled as if she were back in the ocean. Each princess brought her own flair to the dance floor, captivating everyone with their charm. As the dance-off reached its peak, a shadowy figure emerged from the sidelines. Maleficent, the dark sorceress, had arrived uninvited, her presence casting a chilling spell over the festivities. The princesses' smiles turned to determined frowns, and they joined forces to thwart Maleficent's wicked plans. Using their combined strength and the power of friendship, the princesses channeled their inner courage. With a burst of light, they outshone Maleficent's darkness, breaking her spell and restoring the parties.
The celebration resumed, even more magical than before. The princess and fairies danced the night away, the glow of unity and harmony radiating throughout the kingdom. And as the stars twinkled above, the Disney Princess Party became a tale that would be passed down through generations, a reminder that even in the face of darkness,
the bonds of friendship and courage would always prevail. The end